there seems to be an increased fondness for eat-all-you-can restaurants, with most diners marching in for a taste of hot pot and grill, pleasurably getting the best of both worlds. Hello fellow food trippers! Please join us on this food trip to dine at Meatogether by Tong Yang, another brand from the Vikings Group of Restaurants, for unlimited grill and shabu-shabu, located on the second level of Robinsons Magnolia, Aurora Blvd, Kaunlaran, Quezon City. Meatogether has a wide selection of ready-to-cook dishes that are well presented and pride on their freshness, as most ingredients are fresh catches of the day. The standard hot pot and grill have some unmarinated seafood, pork, chicken, and meat innards, and most are infused with herbs, spices, and seasonings. Alongside are mussel and clam seashells, meatballs, dumplings, noodles, fresh vegetables, fresh slices of beef and pork available for the day. The hot pot soup bases come in 7 flavorful choices, but we opted for their best sellers, the spicy mala and the indulgent tonkotsu, among pork, kimchi, sinigang, miso, and shoyu. You can add a tasty twist to the hot pot and grill dish by adding the flavor of various condiments, with a bit of sweet, salty, spicy, and peanutty flavor will send your bite and mouthful soaring with incomparable taste in seconds. Like in any hot pot and grill restaurant, plates of raw ingredients are presented at once at the diner's table, paired with an induction cooker. Cook the dishes with no fuss, done in minutes, shared and eaten pleasurably with kimchi rice or plain rice, and fermented kimchi, marbled potatoes, and pickled cucumber on the side. also includes unlimited refreshments of fruit juices, soft drinks, and desserts of red watermelon, halo-halo, and ice cream. We completed the satisfying and filling meals with cups of coffee and ubi roll. Meatogether is a complete one-stop shop for barbecue grilling and hot pot cooking. It serves everyone's cravings at affordable 678 pesos net on weekdays and 788 pesos net on weekends and holidays with regular 3-hour dining time. Cheaper than other samyupsal and hotpot dining places. Make your special day memorable and complete with this hard-to-resist, mouth-watering feast. Celebrate with family and friends the merriest holiday of the year, a treat that fits them all. For inquiries, promos, and group dining reservations, call or message 0917 657-4888 or the Vikings hotline at 8845-4647. They are open daily with straight operations from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. We'll see you on our next food trip. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching!